Here's the walkway to our room. That's our building right there. Building 8 right there. Here's the Havana bar right here. You can have a cigar, whiskey, and that's where I'm going to be at most evenings. Here's the atrium right here, right between the building. Isn't that pretty? Look at that. What you said?
See, he loves it either.
We're on the 4th floor level. Look at that.
Oh my God.
The view is beautiful. Yeah, look at that. From the 4th floor. It's gorgeous. All right, who's talking? Who's talking? All right, there's the room right here. Check this out. There's the bathroom right here. Look at this. Double sink. Look at the shower. Look at the shower. With a, oh, look at that rain head. Look at that rain head shower head. Beautiful. That's beautiful. Oh, wow. Look at the size of this shower. Look at this. Beautiful. Wow. Look at this. Wow, this is beautiful. Let's go upstairs. Let's go upstairs. This is our king size bed here. Look at this. King size bed. All right, now we got a second story. Check this out. Second story. Second story. Check this out. Here we go. Let's see what's up there. Say hi, everybody.
Yeah, turn around.
Wow, look at this. Look what we got here. Oh my God, this is amazing. Look at this. Our own plunge pool. It's amazing. With an outdoor bed. Oh, look at this. We even have an outdoor shower. That's amazing. This is amazing. Wow, this is we look at our view. Look at this view. Look at this view. Oh my God, look at the ocean right there. That's beautiful. Just beautiful. Look at this. Wow. This is awesome. Look at that. Just beautiful. Just beautiful. Let's see what's over here. Open this here. Let's go here. Oh wow. Look at this. We got our own personal jacuzzi tub. That's awesome. See. So again, they keep reminding us that every time you leave the doors open, the AC cuts off. So let's open this. Excuse me for my video, but I'm trying to get the doors open here. Oh wow, look at that. This is our balcony, our private balcony right here. That's where my magic is gonna happen every night, right there. Just kidding, but it's true. Beautiful. So that's included, the alcohol,
Okay.
coffee, espresso, mini bar. It's all included. Mini bar. Mini bar. Yeah.